Yes, good evening, Hania. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good evening all. So till what we have discussed in the last class, we were discussing the class, we were discussing sample space, and I have given a couple of examples related to that as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how many of you started your worksheet where you had 51 problems related to surface areas and volumes?
So I have exams currently, so I can't do.
No, every day you solve like five problems.
So I'll do like 1 or 2 because currently my exams are very tough.
Okay. What about others?
So what are we doing right now?
Mm-hmm.
So what are we doing right now? It was showing some choose a different speaker. Your speaker is not working.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, what are we doing right now?
Now we are going to start the session, which we are going to continue the session which we had discussed earlier.
Okay, sir.
Next topic is sum of probabilities of favorable and unfavorable events. Sum of probabilities of favorable and unfavorable events. See, basically what we many of you are joining still. Sum of probabilities of favorable and unfavorable outcomes. Wait, who's joining? See, first let us write what is favorable outcome and let us write and what is unfavorable outcome. Okay. So first we'll write favorable outcome, favorable event or outcome. Okay. So favorable outcome is nothing but when everyone write this, when a trial is done for an expected outcome, for an expected outcome, there are chances when the expected outcome is achieved. Such event is called a favorable event. So next, unfavorable event is nothing but, See, when a trial is done for an expected outcome, there are chances when the expected outcome is achieved. Such event is called a favorable outcome. Favorable outcome का मतलब क्या होता है? In our favorite. Like, first of all, let's say that I just rolled a die. So what is the probability of getting an even number? So 3/6, which means 1/2, isn't it? So these three are what? Favorable outcomes. Yes or no? Favorable outcome is nothing but what? When expected outcome is achieved. हमको जो भी outcome चाहिए वो achieve कर लिया हमने, उसको बोलते हैं favorable outcome. So common sense. देखो बेटा, favorable outcome मतलब general English में सोचो बस, general English. So whatever the result we are achieved, that is what called as favorable outcome, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So unfavorable outcome is nothing but what? Anyone of you?
Sir, the other all outcomes.
Yeah.
The unexpected
Yeah.
one comes.
So unexpected outcomes.
Yeah. Yeah, the opposite to that is what? Unfavorable outcome. Very simple. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Look at this. Same thing. Let me copy and paste here. Look at this. Same thing. Just a minute. ठीक है. When a trial is done for an expected outcome, there are chances when expected outcome is not achieved. Is not achieved. Such event is called as unfavorable event. All right. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. So look at next note. Guys, whatever the point which you are writing, every point is very important. Every point is very important. ध्यान से सुनिए. All these are basics. This is the first time you are learning probability. So probability lesson would come for 10, 11, 12 standard as well. So learn all the basics now itself very carefully. ठीक है?
Sir, can you once scroll up, sir?
Yes, boss.
Sir, one, sir. Nice.
Favorable and unfavorable event outcomes come from the well-defined set of outcomes. All right. Yes. All favorable outcomes and unfavorable outcomes, event outcomes would come from well-defined set of outcomes. From well-defined set of outcomes. This is what you should know actually. ठीक है? Very important note. Next, very, very important. But the point which I'm going to write now, that is very, very important. Now look at this. For example, an event of sample space yes has n favorable. Sample space I always denote with capital S like this. Okay. All right. Yes, has n favorable outcomes, then there are s minus n s minus n unfavorable outcome. Favorable outcomes. इसका मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of this? Which means for suppose there is a sample space called S. ठीक है, उसमें n favorable outcomes है हमारे पास. तो unfavorable outcome क्या होगा? जो s minus n. For suppose 6 favorable outcomes.
Sir, this example, sir, can you give another example?
Yeah, look at this. For suppose if I talk about yes. For suppose if I talk about an example, look at this. Look at this here. For suppose example का मतलब देखो हम लोग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके थे भाई. Favorable outcome, let's say sample space you have like 6 outcomes in a sample space. ठीक है. So
what if the chance of getting a favorable outcome is 100%?
sorry.
What is the chance of getting a favorable outcome is 100%?
What is the chance?
So I'm saying, what if the chance of getting the favorable outcome is 100%? Then even if you subtract, nothing will get.
Yeah, 100 by 100. देखो 1 होगा तभी तो that is what the probability, right? That is what I told. What do you call that? That 100% मतलब like if you are getting 6 out of 6. Now for example, let me say that as per your question, let me give an example. Let's say that example, rolling a die. ठीक है, rolling a die. Don't write this example. Rolling a die. The question rolling a die, which means sample space is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a sample space.
And what is the chance of getting?
Wait. Listen to me first. I understood your question. If you listen, you will understand, please. So this is my sample space, which means these are favorable outcomes from this event. This is my event or experiment. From this experiment, these are the possible outcomes. That is what called as sample space. That I am denoting with what? Capital S. All right. Now the question is, what is the chances of getting 100% outcome? The question is probability of getting real numbers. What is it?
100%.
देखो 100. देखो क्या है? 6 out of 6. What is the possible outcome? 6. 100%. 6 of all these are real numbers only, right? Yes or no? I would say probability of getting natural numbers. 6 out of 6.
100%.
Yes sir, Sujay, understood?
Yes, sir.
So we'll solve the question. Need not to worry much. देखो, once we done with all this process and we will solve the question, then आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. आपको like you will understand what exactly should be there, what should not be there. Okay. So for suppose you have an event and which has sample space called S.
Otherwise, can you give a question on this? Means not able to understand very clearly, sir.
Not able to understand very clearly. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What you did? Yeah. What you did not understand, Strain? Can you tell me?
Sir, 1 minute.
Tell
Yeah,
me what.
yes.
What is your doubt exactly?
Sir,
Sir,
as the
sir,
One member.
no.
Sujay, I'm talking to Strain. Strain should give the answer.
Sir,
Once he
you
done with
took
you.
favorable outcomes as S and N, sir. Again, you took unfavorable outcomes as S minus N. But how you got that? I'm not understanding, sir. How you got minus Y?
Strain, look at this here. Strain. देखो common sense. ఇక్కడ మనం you don't have anything to remember here. See, you have yes as a sample space. I don't know here how many favorable outcomes you have. N favorable outcomes. All right.
Yeah.
I don't know how many outcomes, how many like numbers, how many objects have inside the sample space. I don't know that. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is my what? Sample space is what? Favorable outcomes. All right.
Okay.
Yes or no? Now unfavorable outcome is nothing but what? Unfavorable outcome is, for suppose look at this here. You have a sample space. Let's say that it has n favorable outcomes. Okay.
Yeah.
It has n favorable. Let's say it has 6 favorable outcomes. कुछ भी ऐसा. ठीक है?
Means 6 plus, sir. You took S minus N, sir. So favorable. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Favorable outcomes you took N, sir. Means for example, we can take 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We should do that plus N S minus N. We should take, sir.
No. Look at this here. Favorable outcome is nothing but whatever the outcome you write, that should satisfy with your question. Okay. Understand? Whatever the outcome you write, that should satisfy with your given condition. That is favorable outcome. Unfavorable outcome is nothing but what? Whatever you are not satisfying with. that minus n. Understood? Sample space minus that n. That is, we'll solve the question. Need not to worry.
Okay.
You need not to worry here. You know, whatever the what is n here? I took n. This n is that n number of favorable outcomes is satisfying to the given condition. I don't know what kind of condition is. He might give rolling a die. He might give tossing 2 coins. That should satisfy your condition. That is favorable outcome. Okay. For suppose example, look at this here. Let me tell you what is favorable outcome and what is unfavorable outcome. Let's say that tossing 2 coins. Tossing 2 coins. Okay. So tossing 2 coins means what? What is the favorable outcomes here? HH, HT, TH, TT. Okay. So this is my favorable outcomes. Okay. The tossing 2 coins. When I toss 2 coins, I might get 2 heads at a time. I might get 1 head and 1 tail at a time. I might get 1 tail and 1 head at a time. I might get both tails at a time. So these are the possible outcomes, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is favorable outcome. Favorable outcome. This is the favorable outcome.
Okay.
Okay. So unfavorable outcome is nothing but what?
H.
Remaining thing. Look at this here. Understand the definition here. When a trial is done for an expected outcome, there are chances when the expected outcome is not achieved. I'm not able to get that.
Means H and tails you told HT, sir. But it will be H and H only. Like the example.
Yeah, for suppose, look at this here. Let me tell you the example. For suppose, you know, just now we have seen the example, right? Where is that?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. For suppose, the question is, what was my sample space? HH,
HT, TH, TT.
Favorable outcomes is nothing. For suppose this is what my possible outcomes. I would say these are possible outcomes. Okay, these are possible outcomes. My question is, listen to me, please. The question is, let me say the question. Now, first question I'm giving you: probability of both heads. Probability of both heads. Okay.
One time.
Now, wait, man.
Okay.
Both heads. Okay. What is a both? What are both heads? What is a favorable outcome? And both heads. When would I get both heads? Only one favorable outcome here.
That's a 1 by 4.
One, right?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 is what here? 1 is what? Favorable outcome here.
Favorable outcome.
Favorable outcome. Favorable outcome is nothing but a favorable outcome is satisfying to the given condition. What is the given condition? Both heads.
Both heads.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Favorable outcome is 1.